fishing. I hike back here, and my lure has too much weight on it. So first, we're gonna just. Oh, I about fell. We're gonna take this off, put a little sweat shots on. What the heck did I do with the rest of the tackle box? I swear, if I took it down with me, I'll be a little mad. Oh my god, this backpack is so annoying because it will never stand up, right? Alright, so we're just gonna do that quick. Then we're gonna go down there for a little bit. Come on. I absolutely hate these sinkers for one reason. They go on really easy, but do not come off at all. They're the twist lock rubber ones. So at the moment, I'm just putting on some really little ones that I got from Bass Pro. I got one on there. Last time I used two, so I think I'm going to use two. I think the fish, I have to reel so fast to get my jig going. But yeah, I'll meet you down there. Meet you down there, I guess. Gonna fish for a little while, see if we catch any monsters. I'll start videotaping if I hook into one. I already had one hooked earlier, but I think the only reason I'm not catching them is they're slowing down because it's cold. And when it's cold outside, they don't like it outside. They don't like to eat stuff that's going a gazillion miles an hour. Now, I'll just put you guys up here. And we'll just take a couple casts, with the filming. So I want to make it nice and short where it doesn't take that long, but then I think later in the video we're going to check out my hunting blind for a little bit. Well, that'll be a separate video, I don't know yet. It's harder to cast, but I think I'll catch more fish. Bite already. So, if you want to know where to get these lures, I got it from Mr. Tackleback. It's a Lunker Hunt Hive. It's a Lunker Hunt Hive mini wriggler, I think. I have the big ones, but the big ones just don't work very well and for copies and everything. I can't make a good cast yet, but after I make a good cast, I'll probably catch one. I'm gonna make one last cast, and you might see me in a little bit of a different spot. I don't know yet. But anyways, I'll catch you when I catch a fish. Got one on. Got him. Yep, that one. Pretty nice little creek chub right there. I should say so myself. I'll get off the hook and I can show you guys the thing. A gigantic creek chub that I caught. This thing weighed about 3 seconds. And this big guy bit. Pretty good thing, creek chub. Let's toss him back in. Well, I failed at that, but there'll be plenty more, I can guarantee it. What? We'll probably won't catch much, but I hate the hook set on this. Because this line is fluorocarbon, so it just freaking sinks. So you don't know if your line's underwater or not, so you think your line's tight even though it isn't, and then you miss a lot of fish. So I gotta try to keep my line tight And it also keeps you from getting snagged too. But yeah, catch you later when I catch more fish. I swear if one bites right now, I will be a little mad. Ain't got nothing fishing yet, but I'm gonna go check out whatever the... Nothing. Well, let me recast that quick. I'll just set it like that. You can stare at some delicious grass for a second because I'm just gonna recast this. I thought something took off with it. Geez, I cannot cast today. It just went up, and took a lot of line. There we go, good cast. We're gonna go check that out now. Alright, let's see what I may have found. Is it a bomb? I don't think so. It's a freaking balloon. It's a balloon. That was uneventful. I don't really want to. I gotta just keep it in this bush because I can bring the Kubota back here later and get it. Let's check on the fishing pole. I also got my trail camera set, so we'll see how that goes. We'll see. Tornado comes through, it's gonna be gone because I have it set out on a little tree, but alright, let's see if we got something in a fish or not yet. A little sad if I didn't. I didn't. Let's get the sinker there. I don't get why they don't want to eat it. Fish just aren't biting very well. There's a good chance there's some pretty heavy barometric pressure though. You know? Well, there's no fish on that. Maybe I shouldn't give him a bass hook. Maybe I should just shoot. My line's stuck. It's actually kind of dumb. I'm going to go down a little bit. We'll see if we can catch anything there. Because this is weird. We get set over there. Shit. Piece of crap freaking weeds. Freaking weeds. Oh God. Tripods are supposed to stand up, not fall down. So this one seems like to fall down. I'm about ready just to pack up and leave. And I packed up. I walked a long ways to get here. Shoot. I came here. I'm trying to get this. Yeah, I've come a little way. I don't know. I think I'm going to take 3 more casts and pack up and find something else to do. Yep, I'm packing it up. Nothing seems to want to eat my bug. Oh yeah. Alright. KG does this, but don't think he puts it through the bail. That's what I did. So I guess it's time to go. We got my rod. We're just gonna pack up and leave. It's a pretty handy little 6-foot rod. Packed it all the way here without breaking it. So that's a plus. But otherwise, yeah, there isn't much else. But what I really want to do is catch a fish. But that didn't happen. I did. I caught one. Okay.